Alright, we're all packed up at Sawyer Bay and we are heading over Talus Lake Trail. We're going to take Talus Lake Trail over to Lightning's Bay. It's a 6-kilometer hike. It's pretty rugged. A little worried about those boulders though in there. It's getting her over there, but I think she can do it. I was thinking about taking the long way, going all the way up Sawyer Bay Trail, close to the beginning of Kabayan Trail. And then all the way up Kabayan Trail for about 8 over to Lightning's Bay. So that'd be almost double, more than double going Talus Lake. And we'll take Talus Lake, see how that goes. Xena really doesn't want to go this way. She's, oh, here she keeps stopping and I have to pull her to try to get her to come. So she keeps doing, see, she keeps turning around and wants to go back that way. Come? No. Okay, I guess we're taking the long way around. Go up Sawyer Bay Trail to Kabian and then up Kabian. Yeah, so it looks like we're going to take the long way. I don't know why she doesn't want to go up that way. I guess something in her instincts are telling her, no, we can't go this way. Maybe something bad would happen if I made her go that way. Maybe she wouldn't be able to make it over those boulders. I don't know. But, you know, it's just afternoon. It should take us 3 hours to go this way. Play it safe. Let's just take our time and just got all day. We just got off Sawyer Bay Trail and we're on the Kabayan now. Now we're heading over to Lightning's Bay. So it's a big hike. It's like probably about 14 kilometers total. And we're not quite halfway there yet. Yeah, another kilometer or so we're at the halfway point. But yeah, it's gonna be nice. Just get a camp, get that set up, and then a fire going and relax, put my feet up. Okay, we'll see you later. Trail is not busy at all. Usually this section is close to the beginning of the south end, and it's usually a fair amount of traffic through here. We're going to the Sea Lion, or just doing day hikes up the T Harbor, going to top of Giant Trail. See a couple people, that's it, but nothing much. Surprisingly, it is so quiet. But yeah, I know it's a weekday, but with COVID and everything reopening, you think people would be packed in here. And I thought there'd be a little bit more than this. I think I'm going to take a break at that first campsite on the Kabian. Just the one right a couple kilometers before T Harbor. And we're coming up to that now, so we're going to take a break there. So yeah, that's something new. All the backcountry campsites have the little spot where you put your permit. So it's different now. That's new this year. Yeah, they also have zones, what they call zones. Like we got the Lightning's Bay zone, the Sawyer Bay zone. So when you kind of check in, you can even reserve the spots now too. But you gotta pick a zone, and you gotta stay at that zone at that day on that day. So you can't really exactly change around things, which kind of sucks. Like sometimes, like I've come out here and I have a certain plan, but then I decide, no, I'm going to do something different. But it's a way to keep people, I guess, from interacting together too much with COVID. So found this hat on the trail along the way here. Outdoor research. Get the Tilly hat. I always wanted one of these hats, so I'll probably wash it up and then. Yeah. Cool. I always wanted to get one of those kind of hats for when I'm out here. We're all settled in at Lightning's Bay here. I always have a tough time deciding which is my favorite spot, here or that Twin Pine, the first campsite we camped at. But yeah, I'm going to say here. This was the first campsite I ever backpacked, camped at when I came backpacking out here in around 2007. So I set up the tent right there, obviously. I used to set up kind of back there more. And I put it there. That's where I put it the first time I camped out here. And Xena's, I don't know if you see her, she's chilling out over there. Oh, right there. There she is. Hey, Xena. Yeah. Yeah, it's now 5 o'clock. I just finished eating supper. Both of us did. She ate her kibble. Waves are nice and strong tonight. I just love sitting here at the fire and just looking out at the lake here. So let's go down and check out this view down here. One of my favorite views. I never get bored of this. Right outside camp, looking at the feet of the giant. Never get bored of that view. Look, there's a ship out there. Alright, I'm gonna go take a stroll with Xena for a little bit. You want in the tent? You want in the tent? Yeah, it's about 9:30. Usually she likes to go in around 9:30. Okay, go in your bed. Hang on. Oh, let me unclip you first. Alright, good night. I'll be out at the fire. That's what she does every night. And then she'll lay in mine for a bit. She'll go on her bed for a bit. Alright, good night. Cigarette. Not doing too bad actually. I think I got this. It's not like I can just go getting cigarettes, right? So I had my last cigarette on Monday at 5 o'clock, and it is now Thursday, 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. She's been doing this for a while. She just comes up, she nudges me, and then she goes and stands over there. I know what you want. Okay. Oh, buggy on your snout. Well, last fire, and then we head home a little later today. Just been sitting here slowly packing up camp, because I'm not leaving here till 6. So, plenty of time. So yeah, just taking it easy, just relaxing, let her play in the lake for a bit. And I think we're going to start hiking out kind of early-ish. It usually only takes us like about 2 hours to hike out. Okay, Xena. Xena and I are heading over to T Harbor. A few hours to kill, but 3 hours to kill before we start hiking out. And not much left to do at camp. I just got to pack up the sleeping bag, air pad, and tent. And then a couple, throw in my food bag and clothes bag in my pack. Pretty much done. don't have anything. You got the stick. Hang on. It's out there. Yep. It's goofy. There you go. Bring it here. Come on. Bring it to Daddy. Oh, you broke it. Well, that's it for this video. It's a 5-night backpacking trip here at the Giant. So remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thanks. Hope you can hear over all these waves. Wow. Okay, talk to you next time. Bye.